When most think of knife throwing, they think of the classic rotational style of throwing. The problem with this style of throwing is it is very limited because one rotation has one set distance. A rotation is how many times a knife rotates before hitting the target. For example, half rotation might be 6 feet from the target, and a full rotation might be 12 feet away, depending on the knife. What I do is called instinctive knife throwing. Instinctive knife throwing is being able to throw a knife from any distance with very little thought and stick it almost every time. Instinctive throwing is also being able to control the knife by using different grips and techniques to slow down and speed up the rotation. With instinctive throwing, you can throw multiple knives from multiple different distances, and the knives will do the same amount of rotations. For example, I can make a knife do one rotation at 3 feet all the way up to 30 or 40 feet from the target. You can control rotation so much you can eliminate the rotation. That technique is called no spin. Instinctive throwing is way more versatile than the other style, but is way more difficult to learn and takes a lot more practice. In the future, I'm going to upload tutorials on different styles and techniques of knife throwing.